the new Stelvio 2.0 reed valve intake, direct intake. It's a new step for the performance of our cylinders. And also with the same inlet, we have the Ranger to 25 to the Ranger. It's a cylinder for 60 stroke and con rod 110. Okay. So also in that cylinder we can use the same outlet, inlet. We use it in the Stelvio 2.0. As you can see here, on the left one, how it mounts. There aren't the plastic manifold, the reader, and it mounts in that way. And the gear is fixed in the original.
Okay, right, yeah. So through the original, through the frame,
exactly,
as it would originally.
Exactly. We also, you can see the new Comfort Fix seat. It's a new seat we designed on the idea to replace the King Queen seat. Or that is a prototype.
Oh, nice, yeah.
We are made the basic plastic mold, okay, with that features of the shock absorber.
Is that exclusive to VMC when it goes into production?
Yeah.
And you make it here in Italy?
No. That is made outside Italy.
Somewhere.
We also think with a little pushing can fix it.
Adjust it.
Okay, then adjust it for the back side. And also we think the possibility to put some handles or a
cowl, seat cowl, like a signal seat.
Or for the long trip, you can put a little package.
Like a carrier.
Yes. Luggage. This is the same pump we presented the last year. But now we are ready for the sale. And the particularity is the plug and play.
When will this be available in the shops?
I hope for the next, the first part of the next year.
And do you know how much that's going to be? Cost?
I don't know, by from 150 around, maybe less.